Hello, in this tutorial I will show you how to save form data to MongoDB with Node.js. The tutorial itself is located on my website. The link to it is placed in the description to this video. Let's see how the form will look like. Here we have the form. When we submit data to the server, for example, hello, here, submit. On the page view feedbacks, we can see the form data submitted. When we submit another data, it will appear here too. So let's see how to create it. The first step we need to do is to install MongoDB itself. We will do with the commands placed here. So let's run them step by step. First one is to sudo apt get install. We issue this command and wait till MongoDB installs. Another step is to create data folder. Let's do it. And create MongoDB file that will be used to run MongoDB itself. Then we set its attributes to be executable file and run it. So let's run MongoDB. We see that our database is running, and now we will open another terminal window and we'll install required packages. For this tutorial we need Express.js, body parser and MongoDB driver. First step is to initialize package.json file. Let's do it. We have package.json here. And another step is to install and save all our dependencies. So I run this command and see that my dependencies were installed. The next step is to create the form itself. We need to create index.html file. We will save it to public folder. So let's issue public index.html. And here we just copy paste the file. And we have form that has input name, input email, text area with comment, and button submit. The form uses post method to send this data to the server and URL address post feedback. Also we have another link, view feedbacks. This link will be used to show data stored on the server. The next step is to create application.js. So let's create a new file. We save our form and create a new file. Name it as app.js. At first step we will create node static server here. And let's run it to see how our form behaves. So we are running this code and we can open the link. It is not functional now because we didn't add handler for the form. So let's do it. What we need to do is to add MongoDB and body parser to our dependencies. So let's add them here. And we need to add database connection. So let's add database connection. We use the port that is provided to us by MongoDB server. If we look through the output, we can find it. It's here. So we write our port and name of the server. It's localhost for my server. So we should add a database connection, and then we should use a body parser that will extract data from the body of the request. So let's add body parser here, and now we will add a post handler. Let's add it here. This handler will handle the form. So when we post the form to URL post feedback, this function will run, and this function will use database connection. It's actually a promise, so we should add .then. It accepts function, and in the body of this function we delete ID field from the request body. It is required for safety reasons, because someone can provide another ID that will delete data in our database. So this is for safety reasons only. And here we add our data from request to the database. On this line, we will send response to the user, the data received, and actually we will stringify our data and show what we have recorded to the database. So let's check how it works. I will save application.js and then restart the server. Click Restart button. Now I will go to my form, and I can test it. I will provide some data. For example, I will write James, James at example.com, and hello from James. Click Submit. I see the data received, but I can't view feedbacks because this handler is not implemented yet. And my next step is to create a handler that will provide list of feedbacks to us. So here it is. It's app get handler. It will respond to get request, and on this link we provide a function that also uses database connection, but instead of storing data, it reads data. So this code will find all data from database, convert it to array, and then convert to JSON and send to the user. So we can save our application.js file, and then we will restart the server. And now we can navigate to view feedbacks link and see data stored on the server. We can add another record, for example, Bill at example.com, and we'll write a comment from Bill. Submit it and see the data is received. That's all. Thank you.